Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we're checking out these solar powered lights that were sent to me as a gift to install and share with you. I'm excited. We're gonna get these installed, check out how it is shipped and all the things. So let's check it out. In the box, you've got instructions. Everything is packed up nice in styrofoam. We're gonna have to slide this one out. Everything is packaged really nicely, so it should arrive very intact, nothing broken or anything like that. I'm very impressed with the feel of the construction. It feels nice and heavy duty. You've got all your mounting stuff here to mount it and your solar power panel here on the top. We'll take our film off once we get it installed. This does come with light bulbs, so you will be ready to go once you get these hung. And again, you're gonna want, like, this is attached and it does pivot. So that way, if you don't have a completely flat surface, you're good to go. You've got drywall screws, regular mounting screws in there as well. Let's go. Aren't they so pretty? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go get these installed.
Because these are not wired, installation is really, really great. You just need to make sure that the area you're going to put them in gets enough sun for them to be charged with the solar panel on the top. We are hanging these on either side of our garage door, so we're just measuring each side to make sure that they are equidistant on each side and uniform. The bracket is going to be adjustable, so you're going to mark it, and then you'll actually need to be twisting the mount in order to screw the light fixture on to the mount. Screw it in. These went up really, really quickly. Once they're installed, then you can, before you put the light bulb in, you want to flip the switch to the on position. That's with the light, with the line on it, not the zero. Flip it on and then install the light, and then it will turn on once it is getting a little bit dusk time, and then is doing great for nighttime. We are really impressed with the light that these gave. They look so stylish and so nice, and we are just incredibly happy with this. And it was just a simple, easy upgrade, and I love that it's not wired, so anyone can put this up. So hope you enjoy these lights as much as we do.